my biggest advice would be, if you have a chance and if you do qualify, do take it up. Take it up and learn from people who have actually done it. Hi, my name is Subbakrishna. I'm a co-founder of Clootrack. We are a customer experience analytics platform. The whole idea behind this was that customers are no longer buying products or brands, they're buying experiences. People are deciding based on interactions and customer preferences and customer experience that they have. Companies are getting these feedbacks in multiple formats. There are videos, there are voice, there is text, and it's becoming much harder to control where this data is and what to do with this data, which is where Clootrack comes. Clootrack has deep IP in language understanding, language formation, conversion of unstructured text to structured insights, and make it actionable and insightful for business leaders to actually move the needle with customer experience and improve their market share, improve their promoter scores, quite a few use cases. I am most excited with the fact that AI is becoming more and more accepted, especially in enterprise use cases. And we plan to be growing to a close to a $50 to $100 million company in the next 5 years. Major advantage is interacting with other excellent co-founders that we get, handling many challenges that they have. Different challenges, similar challenges, different approaches to same challenges. That's been the biggest learning for me.